This concrete fountain is about 40 years old now. It has held up fairly well over the years, but now it's starting to develop some cracks in the surface of the concrete, and a small hairline crack has developed around the inside circumference of the bowl. Right around here. Now when you have a small crack like that, you're supposed to chisel it out and widen it, but I'm afraid that if I try to do that, I will disturb the structural integrity of the sides of this bowl. So I'm going to fill the bottom of this bowl with epoxy and hope that it will seal up this crack that has developed inside here. Also, there are some cracks on the surface that I have filled with top and bond right here. And because of the crack inside the bowl, some loose pieces of concrete have started to drop out of the bottom of the bowl, and I can't use concrete to fill those cracks because the weight of it would just force it to drop out of the crack. So what I've done, I've used some concrete paste that comes in a tube, just like caulking, and the paste is sticky, and I use that to fill in spaces where concrete has dropped out underneath the bowl. Once this concrete patch paste hardens, it's hard just like regular cement or concrete. Before you repair and coat the inside of a fountain that you're working on, you want to make sure that you vacuum all dirt, debris, and foreign particles so the surface will be clean before you coat it. I'm going to use this DAP Liquid Cement crack filler to fill these cracks around the inner circumference of this fountain. It comes in a sort of liquid pasty form, and you just squeeze it out of the bottle. The paint that I will use to paint and seal the bowl of this fountain is watertight, waterproofing paint. by Zinser. I'm going to apply 3 coats of this paint with a drying time of at least 2 hours between each coat. The fountain is now ready to be reassembled. The water pump is installed and the electric connection is taped up to prevent water from getting into the electrical contacts. Make sure that the top bowl is level so water will flow evenly off its edges. The bowl can be shimmed out at the bottom with wood shims. Add mosquito bits or a mosquito donut to keep mosquitoes from breeding. Thanks for watching and good luck in the repair of your backyard fountain.